Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss on how did I find buyer intent keyword for client business. Okay, so that resulted in more inbound leads, right? So I'll explain you the process, right? In the section 1, I'll explain you the fundamentals via the presentation deck, and in the section 2, I'll show you the practicals via amazing tools on how you can actually discover buyer intent keywords for your business and you can generate more inbound leads. Okay, so first try to understand the basics. Now let's discuss what are buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent keywords are search queries that show someone is actively looking to make a purchase, right? Okay, so once you know the buyer intent keywords, right, that your ideal customers are actually using, you can start to target them with relevant content or via paid ads. So you can use buyer intent keywords in your content marketing campaign, or you can use buyer intent keyword in your paid marketing campaign. Okay, so content marketing could be in the form of blogging, or you can use in video marketing. All right, you can use it infographic marketing. Paid marketing you could use in Google ads, video ads, display ads as well. You can also use buyer intent keywords in Facebook ads as well. Now we'll discuss the difference between high commercial intent versus low commercial intent keywords. So okay, so let's distinguish between keywords with high commercial intent and low commercial intent. Okay, so you need to think about your ideal customer buying journey. Okay, so whenever a customer wants to buy a product, okay, so normally he has some pain points. So you need to identify what pain points is your customer actually having, what solution would they be searching for, what words would they use. All right guys, so you need to keep these pointers in consideration as well. Okay, now we'll understand different kinds of search queries. Okay, one is information query. Okay, so these are very basic queries which are on the top of the funnel and are likely to have variety of results, like for example B2B marketing strategies. So information is like you could use question based keywords where you want to give information to the user. Those are information. Navigational queries, these are searches where someone is looking to navigate to a particular page. Okay, user is looking to navigate to a particular page. For example, he types a search query in Google, okay, and where he's looking to navigate to a landing page or a home page, or okay, or buy now page. So this could be lower in the sales funnel, for example internal results or Salesforce pricing. Okay, so these are the examples here. Transactional queries, these queries have the most buyer intent, okay, behind them. So this is very important. You need to understand how will you target transactional queries. They relate to a particular action that is closely related to a purchase. For example, best keyword research tool. Okay, if somebody is looking to buy a keyword research tool, so he'll go back to Google search and just type best keyword research tool, for example, or he'll make a comparison about the keyword tool. So most transactional query will end in a purchase decision. Okay, I hope this is clear guys. So just you have to give me a second. All right, so let's move forward. Now there are different types of buyer intent keywords. One is buy now keywords, guys. Okay, somebody is looking to buy something, so that is called as buy now keywords. These are self explanatory. If someone is looking to buy now, you can assume they are ready and they want to make a purchase. They are not looking for review sites or long blog posts on the topic. They are looking for a third party vendor who is going to sell them the solution they are looking for. So guys, in order to generate leads for your business, you have to target buy now keywords. Okay, so this is a screenshot I have shared with you. Alright, so if somebody is looking to buy CRM, so we'll type buy CRM in Google search. Now we'll discuss about product search keywords. When someone knows they have a problem, okay, and they know there is a potential solution to it, they'll use a product search keyword. Best email marketing tools is an example of a product search keyword. If somebody is looking to buy email marketing tool, he'll use best email marketing tool. So guys, this is called as product search keyword. So before I explain you the practicals, first we will understand the fundamentals, then you will have more insights in doing the practicals. I hope this makes sense. Yes. Okay, now we will discuss on how to identify buyer intent keywords. Okay, so let's understand the basics. What you can do is you can start by doing Google search for queries which is specifically related to your solution. Okay, generally keywords with high purchase intent will have multiple ads, and they'll often include a call to action such as free trial or buy now. Okay, so these are CTAs which are often used in Google ads. Okay, so you can also scroll down to the bottom of the page and review the related searches, guys. See, this is a screenshot. Here you can find buy now keywords, okay, in related searches. So these are actually long form keywords. Okay, so you can review these keywords as well. Now, most important thing is customer surveys. This is something very important, guys. Okay, this is the most awesome method to discover keywords that have buyer intent behind them. Is simply asking questions to your customers. Let's say, for example, if you have a web-based product or service, then during the onboarding you should include an open-end question. Okay, so this question could be as simple as, what problems do you have that led you to our solution? So if customer is having your problem, okay, then your product should be the solution. Okay, so you have to ask questions to your customers, and that's how you'll find more information, and that could result to a lead, and plus you'll get more insights to discover buyer intent keywords. So once you know your customer pain points, okay, then you can create useful content around them. Then you can help your target customers, okay, by creating a comprehensive guide which could be pretty similar, so that your potential customers could be of assistance to your business as well in the future. Alright guys, so this is the brief overview about the fundamentals on how to discover buyer intent keyword for your business or for your client business and generate leads. Now let's do some practicals. I wanted to keep the fundamental section very short, so I covered it pretty fast. Right. So what I'll do is go to ads.google.com. Okay. So I click on sign in. Click on a manager account. Okay, so I click on my account here. Now let's take some example. So I'll go in incognito mode. Friendships. I'll click on show more. I'll click on United Arab Emirates. Click on save. Okay, so my target, so I'll say last my delivery software I root. Okay, so this is the landing page here. Alright, so now we are taking last mile delivery software as an example to find buyer intent keywords, right? What you have to do is click on tools and settings, then click on planning, then click on keyword planner. Okay, see how I find keywords here and how I'll discover buyer intent keywords. Click on discover new keywords, then type last mile delivery software. Okay, then type last mile delivery management. Okay, change country. Okay, so I'll say as, let's say I want to target Mexico, for example. Mexico. Okay, then I'll write this. I click on save, click on get results, then click on Google Sheets. Okay, so this is preparing the report. Okay, so open Sheets. Alright, then what I'll do is, okay, so what I'll do is, now I have the keyword list here, right? Okay, so here you are going to shared library. In shared library you're going to click on audience manager. Okay, right, so we are on the audience manager page. Okay, then once you're on the audience manager page, you have to click on custom segments. Alright, so click on plus button. I'll say last mile delivery beetroot 1. Okay, here you'll have two options, so I'll say people who search for any of these terms on Google. I'll type as last mile delivery software. Okay, so anyways, we are going to run video responsive ads, right? So what we can do is we can find keyword list from keyword anywhere. So I'll type as last mile delivery software. Okay, so on the right hand side I need better 𝐁𝐼. Alright, so okay, so 𝐁𝐼 also. Okay, right, so see, if I just type last mile delivery software, it is giving me 1 billion to 5 billion impressions. So I'll change country here. Okay, so I'll see as Mexico. I'll type here as Mexico. Mexico. Okay, see 5 million to 10 million impressions, right? So then what you can do is see it gives the last mile delivery. Okay, then last mile delivery logistics solutions. Right, see these are closely related keywords. So first thing is, in order to find buyer intent keywords, the first thing is you have to create your list from Google Keyword Planner. Then you have to use that list, okay, in custom audience. So you have to create custom audience, okay, from your Google Ads account. So I'll click on save. Okay, see I created one custom audience here. Now comes the magic. I'll create one more custom audience. I say as delivery system people. Right? See, this is the magic. Here you have two options. Include people with following interest or behavior. First option is what? People with any of this interest or purchase intention. The second is people who search for any of these terms on Google. So now we will find keywords which matches the purchase intention. So see, Google will give us suggestions. I'll type here as last mile delivery. See the logic, guys. So this is the magic. Last mile delivery and logistics solution. Google is giving me suggestions here. Okay, see. 10 billion to 1 trillion. Okay. So here it is. I say logistic last mile delivery. So these are called as buyer intent keywords, which Google is giving you suggestion from your custom audience tool. Last mile delivery providers, last mile delivery companies. Okay. Then I'll say as last mile delivery business. Okay, last mile delivery companies hear me. You need not use a huge list. Okay, so again I'll change it to Mexico. I'll change it to Mexico. Campaign. So last mile delivery and logistics solutions. So you can create multiple custom audience, and based on the custom audience you can get a lot of suggestions, guys. So I'll say as last mile transportation companies. See, then final mile delivery company, last mile delivery services. Okay, see, scroll down here. Last mile delivery tracking, last mile delivery management software, last mile delivery tracking software, last mile delivery model, last mile delivery in e-commerce. Okay, so you need to find which are relevant keywords. Last mile delivery courier. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so guys, you understood the logic, right? Okay, so I'll just type here as last mile delivery. Let's see what suggestions Google is giving me. See, last mile delivery solution. Okay. So these are commercial intent keywords, product based keyword, which is going to give you inbound leads, right? Okay, so what you have to do is, first thing first is, whenever you are starting your SEO campaign or video marketing campaign or Google Ads campaign, okay, so first thing is you have to discover your commercial intent keywords. Okay, so what you can do is, Google will give you a list, okay, via Google Keyword Planner, right? Then you can get a list from keyword everywhere, but from custom audience you will get the accurate list of commercial intent keywords, guys. And once you can use this keyword list in your content marketing campaign, or you can use in your ads, and this is going to give you inbound leads. You can use these keywords in your landing page content as well, and that's how you're going to get leads. So I'll click on save, right? So I created two custom audience to get the list of keywords. That's commercial intent keywords. Okay, let's say now I want to take another business. Right, so I want to take picnic ball business. Okay, so right here, picnic point, custom audience. Right. Okay, so I'll delete this, discover new keywords. I'll say picnic spot, yeah, Solapur, right. I'll change the country to India. Target India. Click on save. Click on get results. Okay. And download the keyword sheet here. Keyword sheet. Click on download. Okay. And click on open sheets. Right. So what I'll do is, I'll go back to Google Ads. Now I'll say people who search for any of these terms on Google. Okay, so I'll see those keywords which is having a decent search volume and they are relevant to our business, right? So I'll type here as export. Okay, change the country to India. Okay, see, 1 billion to 5 million impressions. I say picnic spot near Solapur. Okay, see, 5 billion to 10 billion impressions. Okay, so it gives me a detailed idea. 69% are male who are actually searching for this particular keyword. It tells you about demographics. Age, 39% are from 25 to 34, right? Parental status, 76% are non-parents. So this data you can use in your Facebook campaign, you can use in your YouTube campaigns as well. This is demographic data. Okay, 69% is male. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. All right, so let's go back and let's see. This is picnic spot near me. Okay, 5 billion to 10 billion impression, guys. So you can create your great keyword list from custom audience. So you get to know the actual figure, okay, how your keyword is going to perform in your target demographic, how your keyword is going to perform in the targeted Google search results as well. Okay, then you click on save. Right, okay, now again create one more custom audience. So I'll say best picnic spot near Solapur. Okay, now we will select the option 1, people with any of these interest or purchase attention. See, now Google is going to give me suggestion. So what keyword will actually help me to get inbound lead? So I'll just type picnic spot. See, you get suggestions here. Scroll down. See, tools what's around. I'll say nearby picnic spots. Okay, then one day picnic spot near me. Okay, and I'll say wish to set relevant keywords. Park picnic area. Okay, then scroll down. Only see relevant keywords. Nearest picnic spot. Okay, so again you have to change your country. Is India. So I'll select here as India. Okay, see. Now I see as picnic spot near Solapur. Okay, so I'll say as famous tourist attractions near me. See, 10 billion to 1 trillion impression, weekly impression, guys. Imagine how much traffic you'll get. This is the exact data given by Google. I'll just type picnic point. Okay, so I want to see relevant keywords. So I am on Google India here. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my sheet here. Okay, so I'll say picnic places near me. Control C. And I want to check the metrics. See the metric, guys. Picnic places near me. Okay, 10 billion to 1 trillion impressions. So one day picnic resorts near Pune. $10 billion to 1 trillion weekly impressions. Okay, places to visit near me, one day trip. Okay, so these are long tail queries here. Find relevant keywords which are suitable. Weekend places to visit near me. Okay, so this is how you find buyer intent keywords by using custom audience. Okay, Step one is you have to create your keyword list with YouTube auto suggest. Then you can use your keyword list with keyword everywhere. Then you have to create your keyword list with Google Keyword Planner. Then whatever list you are getting from Google Keyword Planner, then you have to refer that list. Then create two custom audience. One, people who search for the keyword in Google. This is custom audience one. Second is with reference to interest or purchases. And whatever suggestions you are getting from custom audience, then you have to save it, and you have to use those keywords from your custom audience in your content marketing campaign or in your paid ads campaign. Alright guys, I hope you got it right. This is the awesome tool. Please start using custom audience regularly. As you are using Google Keyword Planner, please start using custom audience, because custom audience will give you the exact metric for that particular keyword, how many impressions that keyword will have, weekly impressions. If any keyword is having 10 billion to 1 trillion weekly impressions, that keyword is going to give you inbound lead. But as I said, you have to select with interest or purchase intentions. Okay, so you have to create two custom audience every time before you start filtering the keywords, guys. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a good day. Bye bye.